Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use UnitedHealthcare UCard at Walmart. So the first thing you need to do is to of course check your balance, so just make sure that before shopping you check your UCard balance to know how much you can spend. You can do this online through the United Healthcare website or app. So just type in United Healthcare and you should be able to see this right here. Just make sure you're logged in so you can check your balance. And you can also do this through the app. So if you have the app, then you can check there. Now, your U card can be used for eligible items such as healthy foods, over-the-counter products, and even utility bills. Next, for in-store shopping, you can locate participating stores, so just ensure the Walmart you visit accepts the U card. Most Walmarts do, but it's good to confirm. Next, you can also select the items that are covered by your U card benefits. At the checkout, swipe your U card like a regular debit card. Just inform the cashier that you are using a United Healthcare U card. Now, for online shopping, go to Walmart's website and add eligible items to your cart. Now, during checkout, select the option to pay with a gift card or prepaid card and enter your U card details. Now, finally, for utility bills, you can also use UCard to pay eligible utility bills online, over the phone, or at the Walmart Money Center. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.